My name is Yamini G from Bangalore. Completed MBA with a dual specialization that is in finance and operational management. I always wanted to start my career in finance. But even though having a background of commerce and finance, it was very difficult and it was very challenging for me to enter into a core finance field. It was a dream come true by Magical Institute of Excellence. Yes, I joined a course and gained more knowledge on investment banking, derivatives, hedge funds, and financial modeling. And they also conducted many more webinars from corporates, so that gave me an idea how to crack and face an interview. I was very thankful for Vishal sir and Prathamesh sir for being a great mentor, and a thank you for MIE team as well. And I suggest you all to join a course and cherish your dreams in finance field. Yes, I have been placed in BNP Paribas as Associative Level 1. So I suggest you to join a course and cherish your finance field. Thank you.